Then I was playing around with the idea of adding some muted trumpet, but I think this idea won't fly too much. Let's listen up. When you are looking for new sounds and what could work, it's a hit and miss. Sometimes you found sounds that are interesting, they fit together with what you already have, but sometimes you come across with ideas that do not really work. And I think this trumpet sound is really irritating in its current shape. So let's leave these guys muted for the time being. And that's what we have for these 8 bars at the moment.